what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you all how to make DIY ice cubes that are beneficial for your skin. So, as you all know, ice cubes have a lot of benefits for your skin. For example, it heals and prevents acne. It reduces puffy eyes and dark circles. It helps eliminate dark spots. It helps fight acne, fights signs of aging, calms down your skin, exfoliates your skin, helps you get a glowing skin, and it also helps increase the absorption of products into your skin. Ice cubes have a lot of benefits for your skin. But applying a plain ice cube is not good enough. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you all 3 things that you can make these ice cubes with, and they do have a lot of benefits compared to just regular ice cubes. So in case you're interested in knowing what these ice cubes are all about, please do stick around and watch the video until the very end. And without wasting any more time, let's just get right into the video. Have you subscribed to my channel as yet? If you have, then thank you so much guys. It really means the world to me. And if you haven't subscribed as yet, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. With that, let's get right into the video. For this particular beauty cube or ice cube, all you need is some black coffee. This is especially good if you want to brighten up your skin. And that's not it. You can also use it to depuff and lighten dark circles under your eyes. It is a natural exfoliator that unclogs the pores, gets rid of dead skin cells and excess sebum. It also helps you get an even skin tone and reduces puffiness. So all you've got to do is make some black coffee, put it in your ice tray and freeze it overnight. The next day, all you've got to do is take one ice cube and apply it on your face. All you've got to do is massage it in really well until the ice cube melts, and I promise you that your skin is gonna look much more brighter, radiant and glowing. For this beauty ice cube, all you need is some coconut water and some glycerin. Coconut water has a lot of benefits for your skin. It is rich in vitamin A, vitamin C and vitamin B. And glycerin helps moisturize your skin and makes your skin softer and plumper. So all you've got to do is mix the 2 ingredients, put it in an ice cube tray and freeze it. The next morning you can just take it out of the tray and apply it, rather massage it on your skin for about a minute or 2 until the ice cube melts. This not only plumps up your skin but also makes your skin much more glowing and hydrated. For this particular beauty ice cube, all you need is some rice water, which by the way I have shown you all how to make in a previous video, which I'm gonna link down in the description box below and on the I button, so feel free to check that out. Rice water helps reduce acne and scars, also gives you a glowing skin. It helps you brighten up your skin and depuffs your face, and it also makes your skin soft and supple. So all you've got to do for this is add some glycerin in your rice water, and then all you've got to do is freeze it overnight. The next morning, take it out of the freezer, and then all you've got to do is massage this on your face. After a few minutes of applying this on your face, you will notice that your skin has become much more soft and supple. It doesn't look puffy and it also starts glowing, which is pretty amazing. So that is it for this video guys. I really hope you all enjoyed watching this video, and please do share this video with as many people as you can. It's summertime right now and ice cube is very beneficial for your skin. So please make sure you try out these ice cubes and comment down below and tell me which one was your favorite, and let me know what other ice cubes you have used for yourself, and I would love to experiment that on my channel. And please do tell me what other ice cubes have y'all tried and what works for you so that I can try that out on my channel. So yeah, that is it for this video guys. I really hope you all enjoyed watching this video, and if you all did, you know what to do. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also click on the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you will be notified whenever I upload a video. So yeah, with that it's a wrap. I'll see you all super soon with another one. Until then, bye!